Welcome to the SUITMATE swimsuit water extractor installation video. This video has been created to help you install your SUITMATE unit safely and correctly. It is also important that the installation comply with all local building codes and regulations. Please consult your local licensed plumbing and electrical contractors about your installation. Before beginning installation, it is important to determine a proper location for the SUITMATE unit. The unit should be mounted on a wall structure such as a wall stud, cinder block wall, or concrete wall that will at minimum support the unit's 26 kilograms hanging weight. Drywall is not a sufficient wall structure. Be sure to consider that your plumbing and electrical hookup is near. Step 1. Unpack your SUITMATE unit and install the wall mount bracket. Once you've decided on the best location for your SUITMATE unit, it's time to unpack the box. Upon opening the box, you will find the full installation manual, wall sign, and wall mount bracket. Set the manual and the wall sign aside for use later in the installation. Remove the wall mount bracket from the box. Measure 96.5 centimeters up from the floor and mark the top center hole in the bracket. Drill a hole where you have placed your mark and secure the wall mount bracket with hardware appropriate for your chosen wall structure. Level the bracket at this time. Then, mark and secure the outer holes. Finish unpacking by removing the packing material surrounding your unit and lifting the unit out of the box. Before continuing with installation, you will need to remove the bottom plate that is attached with 6 screws. Set the bottom plate and screws aside. They are required to finish installation of the SUITMATE unit. At this time, also ensure you remove all packing material from around the motor. Step 2. Determine your drainage method. For detailed drainage options, please refer to the full installation manual. Depending on your chosen drainage option, you may have to remove the factory-supplied drain hose. This hose is attached with a simple hose clamp. To remove it, loosen up the tension of the hose clamp by turning counterclockwise and slide the drain hose off of the drain opening. Step 3. Mount the SUITMATE unit. Now it's time to put the unit on the wall. The unit needs to be safely lifted so that the upper back lip of the SUITMATE unit goes over the top of the wall mount bracket. After the unit is centered, push down on the back of the unit to make certain that it is securely wedged onto the bracket. Step 4. Set up the proper electrical connections. For demonstration purposes, wiring of the RCD will be shown with the unit resting on the floor. However, these connections can also be made with the unit on the wall. Be sure to route incoming wires through the bottom plate. To connect your electrical supply, remove the cover of the weatherproof RCD junction box and remove the RCD by pulling out on the blue tab. The SUITMATE unit must be properly grounded. If no ground is available on the circuit utilized, you must provide a proper ground for the SUITMATE unit. The circuit ground wire must be connected to the green and yellow earthing terminal located on the steel mounting rail in the RCD junction box. The incoming wires from your electrical supply should connect to the line side of the RCD. Connect the neutral lead to the terminal labeled N. Connect the hot lead to the terminal labeled L1. After all connections have been properly made, mount the RCD inside of the junction box and secure the incoming wires by tightening the cable gland. Step 5. Finish installation. Finish securing the unit to the wall at the bottom rear of the unit using the same type of hardware used to secure the wall mount bracket. This will prevent the unit from being lifted from the bracket or being moved. Reinstall the weatherproof junction box cover previously removed. Then, fasten the bottom plate using the 6 screws and 6 lock washers that were set aside at the start of installation. Check that the RCD box cover can be opened for access to the RCD test button and reset switch. Finally, post the wall sign above your SUITMATE unit. Center the top of the sign 45.5 centimeters over the unit, then press and rub firmly over the adhesive portion. Test the SUITMATE unit by putting a wet swimsuit in the unit according to the instructions on the underside of the lid. Your installation is now complete, and the SUITMATE unit is ready for customer use. Thank you for watching this instructional video. Please refer to the full installation manual at SUITMATE.com for further details.